Alright, cool. Here we go. I think the code and stuff looked pretty good. The one main thing was this line right here was inside the while loop originally. So you had it down here. And problem was that'll generate a random board every time in the while loop. So, geez, sorry that jumped there. But that's why you were seeing the random X's show up in the spots you didn't want them because of that generate board method. So this I just had to move up here, and that was the main thing. And then the other change was inside of the flip, the run click. I did a bunch of prints to figure out what was going on, which I'm just going to take out. And then the other thing was I wasn't sure exactly how you wanted to handle like the fact it was off by one. So if they entered 1 1, we really want to change spot 0 0 in the board. So I minus minus from each of these before I did these calculations, and that seemed to work okay. Other than now that these are the actual indexes, you have to say less than the size, not less than equal to, because if you do equal to, you go over the edge. So I did minus minus x minus minus y, and then made sure that these were just less than the size. So I had to change a bunch of them so they're just less. And then once I got that, I got it working pretty good here. I'll send you this code just in case. I just kept doing a 3 by 3 board to make sure it was okay. So I'm going to do, let's see, so 2, 2, it should be in the middle. And so that flips the ones it should. And then let's see if, I'm really bad at this game, by the way. I don't know, I'm going to try, let's see, 3 1 should flip, I think, that corner up there. All right, no, 3 1 would be this spot. Yeah, so it flipped this. I think it's working right. Maybe if I try, let's see, row 1, column 2. Yeah, so I think it's working okay. That's it. I'll email you the code with the changes, and then let me know if you have any other questions. All right, take care.